Building your first full stack application takes a lot of time. Handling all the creative ideas you have and keeping your dreams down of how much you're gonna sell this idea for. Will it ever be like the big giant startups like Uber, Meta, or so on? Yes, it's definitely hard. Or maybe even you will be one of the biggest acquisitions in history, right? Yes, all of that is applicable. Just it doesn't end up with you searching in YouTube for a whole stack application tutorials and you got stuck in the tutorial hell. So how can you make this amount of money and how to save your next 4 weeks just by watching this video? Most of software developers waste a lot of time handling the structure of the project itself until they give up eventually. But that could happen because, we all like is to jump straight into coding, right? So today I'm going to show you exactly how to prevent this and how to plan your full stack application so you can skip the chaos and launch it faster. But hey, before we start, good soundtrack makes everything better, right? So here is some focus-friendly beats to keep our brain coding ready. And here we go. So, first things first, I'm Maz from BroBytes, where we break coding into bytes, definitely. And we gather bros into friendly night. No, not this one. I said friendly night. Yeah, this one. Okay. So today we're going to, from the scratch, from the idea itself, to launch the application, a plan for a real-world full-stack application, just as Nick did when he sold his app for $30 million just in the age of 15. So in order to snacking the success, let's start by the 6 steps. Step 1, define the goal and scope. Yes, like ask yourself the normal question, who is it for? What the problem does it solve? After answering all the existing questions, you must choose like a task management app for you and your friends to not lose the track of your tasks or so on, instead of using the chat or email. So you will determine the problem, determine the solution, which is one application to solve it, and then who is gonna support like your friends or remote teams, freelancers, or small businesses. Then determine the MVP code, which is definitely the sign up, log in, log out, user authentication, task creation, task management, basic notification. That's the basic code to start this application. And also write down the things that you will need in the future, like the file attachment, real collaboration, or maybe a dashboard or something. Write everything down. Choose the tech stack. If you are an employee in a company, so that won't be your problem because definitely you have the tech stack already in your hand by the company, so it's not something you will have a choose on. But if you're doing it alone, so like me, so you will choose the things that you are learning or have learned from a previous course or something. So write down everything you will use. Let's say for front end, I will use React or maybe JavaScript. In the backend, I will use Node.js, or database, I will use MongoDB. That's something you need to write down before you start the application. Step 3, sketches architecture. Yeah, this is something really important. Even a quick sketch helps. Yes, definitely helps. Map out everything you need before you start. How the front end talks to the backend and how the backend talks to the database. Here's a simple diagram for our task application, for example. Write everything down before you start. Step 4. Yes, the timeline estimation. How to calculate the deadline. Some math, how many hours a day you will work on the project and all this stuff. Then, maybe 2 hours a day, 5 days a week, 10 hours per week. So here we go. Break down every single thing in the project into modules. Authentication, task, user, the notification, the things that we have clarified earlier. And let's say for me, I will take 1 week for each one of them. So this project might take for me from 5 weeks, maybe. Yes, well, definitely 5 weeks. Okay, step 5. The planning tools. I prefer to use Git and GitHub definitely for version control, and Trello or Notion for tracking, Slack or Discord for communication. Also Miro is a good choice. And then the testing. Test your flow before coding. You can use mockup screen and Figma, or you can also use your backend endpoint with Postman, for example. Figma has really nice mockups for before you start the architecture of the website itself or the front end. You can use it. And yes, so all you need to do is define the problem, choose the stack, map out the architecture, break down models, and test. If you do that before write a single line of code, you will save yourself weeks of stress, definitely, and guarantees success. Yes, that was it for today. So, bros, subscribe for more bros and codes, and catch you in the next one. See ya.